What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer some crypto from Revolut to Revolut X. Also, before we get started, if you're interested in some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. Now let's get started. So first off, to transfer crypto from Revolut to Revolut X, you would need to have some crypto purchased on your Revolut app. Now I assume that you already did this and that you just want to transfer that over to Revolut X. So once you purchase some crypto on Revolut, you can go ahead and open your Revolut X app right here. And once you open it from this home screen right here, all you need to click is deposit right here. Now you can select if you want to deposit either cash or crypto. In this case we will select crypto. And Revolut automatically pulls the data from your Revolut account to Revolut X. And here it will show all the cryptocurrencies that you have purchased on your Revolut account. Now I currently only have Solana purchased on my Revolut account, and that's why only Solana is showing right here. So now you would need to select the crypto that you want to transfer over. In my case, that's Solana right here. So I will just click on Solana. And here on this next window, we need to select the amount of crypto that we want to transfer from Revolut to Revolut X. Now keep in mind you can also transfer over Ethereum tokens completely free without any fees from Revolut to Revolut X, which is quite a nice thing. So let's just go ahead and select the amount that we want to transfer to Revolut X. I will select 0.01 Solana and then click preview right here. Next up, a preview window will load on which you can preview the transaction that is about to happen. So on the preview window, you can see your amount that you will transfer and the fees that are associated. In this case, because this is a Revolut internal transfer, so from app to app, there are no fees associated. Now, if this looks good to you, you can just go ahead and click confirm right here. And there we go. Everything is pretty much instantaneous. Now if you look right here, you can see that cryptocurrency that you sent from Revolut to Revolut X. Also, if you want to know how to fund or transfer cash to your Revolut X account from Revolut, you can watch this video right here. And that, guys, how you can transfer over crypto from Revolut to Revolut X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.